Hi, I'm Carolyn and welcome to the Moffat channel. Are you looking for that perfect heavy-duty glass washer that is compact and equipped to wash not only glasses but cups and dishes as well? This versatile GM professional glass washer from Washtech is completely suitable for any busy bar that serves beverages as well as the occasional snack. It features both top and bottom stainless steel wash and rinse arms with a dual filtration system that washes and sanitizes thoroughly every time. The GM incorporates electronic controls that are easy to view and simple to use, like selecting wash cycles, temperatures for recording, chemical pump adjustments and priming of the chemical lines. To find out more information, simply contact us now or visit our website at moffat.com.au, and bye for now.